cry already. Dad and I have been. You'll have a wonderful marriage, and I know you will because you're very much in love. Have a wonderful day, and take it all in. Love you both.
Well, that's exactly my thoughts too. I think you're a wonderful couple. Kate, I've been very proud of you for years, and I will always be proud of you. You're a lovely girl. And I think you've chosen a wonderful fella, and I think you'll make a lovely couple, and all the very best to you. God bless you.
I'm very proud of you too, sweetheart. Always have been and always will be.
Congratulations, Kate and Paul. Wish you every happiness in your future together. You make an absolutely beautiful couple. Love you both lots, and have a great day. Congratulations, Kate and Paul. Just want to say thank you for picking me as a maid of honour. Hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful life together. Thanks.
I have a wonderful life together. Love you both very much, and I'm always here when you need me.
I'm so happy you're both romantic. You're just what you both need. Thank you